This video tutorial is to show you how to repair your hot springs remote control back to your hot tub. You may notice a screen like this when coming out to your hot spring spa. Step 1. Turn your remote over and remove all 6 screws from the back. Once the screws are removed, use a flathead screwdriver to pry the battery up and separate it from the remote. Once you have removed the battery from the back of your remote, press and hold your Jets button on the cradle until the lights start to blink. It should take about 10 seconds for the lights to begin to blink. Once the lights are blinking on the controls, replace the battery back to the back of the remote. Press firmly to secure. At that point, the controls will then prompt you to accept the pairing of the remote to the hot tub. Once the pairing is complete, the controls will switch back to your normal operation screen. In the last step, replace the screws on the back of the remote and tighten them down. Always remember to place your controls back on the charging dock for optimal performance.